He is rising. He is game. He doesn't know where he is. The man determined.
Who should say? I said let the fucking kid go. And let him go.
Stop me!
Fuck you.
Floyd.
Getting to the money, everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money, everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block, same old nigga with the pot.
He is the best in the Midwest.
This is yours. You can dish out, but can you take a hit? Why not to have the best collection ever?
A lot of niggas that was hating.
I can beat him. I can beat him easy. Beat him.
The records are made to be broken.
Do you want to be liked?
It doesn't matter. As long as God loves me and I'm speaking from the heart. That's what counts. I remember everything you taught me from day one. Everything. I love you, Daddy. First of all, I want to thank God for this victory. Without God, this victory wouldn't be possible.